Okay guys, so pertaining concerning the lock cells, I want to teach you how to lock a range of cells in Excel. So for example, with respect to the ones we've been doing, I press 4, I press 5, I enter 6, it gives me a mark over here as the total, right? So I can still change it because I've not locked those cells. I can edit those values because I've not locked those cells, right? So if I want to make it such a way that these cells are locked and are protected with a password, that's what we are going to do right now. So how to lock a range of cells in Excel. Now this is what we do. I press Ctrl A. Ctrl A. It highlights all the cells, right? Then I'll press Ctrl plus 1. Ctrl plus 1. So Ctrl plus 1. It opens this format cells dialog box. So now I'll move to what? Protection. And protection, I'll click on this box to uncheck, right? Then I press OK. So we've done this. It will open the format box. Move to the last tab. That's protection. Uncheck the box in the protection. Now press on what? Highlight the range of cells you want to lock. Highlight the range of cells you want to lock. So I come here, I highlight the range of cells I want to lock. I press Ctrl and let me zoom out. So these are the range of cells I want to lock. From here I come down to the last cell and I press Ctrl. Sorry. I click on this one. Let me start again. I click on this cell. Right. I press Ctrl. Sorry. I come here. I press Ctrl before I will go to the next cell. Right. Then I release my hand from the Ctrl key. Scroll upwards. Press Ctrl again. Highlight to the last one. Scroll upwards. Press Ctrl again. Right. Scroll upwards. You have to release your hand from every control action. Now I press Ctrl again. And I release my hand. Right. So now, what have we done? We've highlighted the range of cells we want to lock. Then press Ctrl 1 again. So I press Ctrl plus 1. And I click on what? Locked cells. Lock cells. Then I press OK. Then after I've locked the cells, the next thing I have to do is go to Review tab and Protection Group on the left. So this is the Review tab. Home tab is set Page Layout, Formulas, Data Review. To review, these are the groups: Proving, Comments, and Protect group. So I press on Protect Sheets and I save with my desired password. I re-enter the password and I'm good to go. So now if I try to edit, if I press 2, it says no. See? But I can still enter the values over here. Can still enter the digits over here. Can still enter the digits over here. 4, 6. But I can't enter anything here. Right? So all the green cells I can't enter. All the green cells I can't enter. So our objective has been achieved. So you can go back to Unprotect Sheets and enter the password to remove the lock cells, and we are good to go.